Hello, in today's video I'll show you how and when to use the splash guard on your Thermomix TM6. The splash guard is helpful for especially for like some oil work or high temperature cooking. Now high temperature cooking isn't available if you manually want to enable it, but it is available in some Kukito recipes. So let me show you a recipe first. I have this recipe of it's quick gyros with tzatziki, and it has the high temperature mode. Now this mode, before I turned it on, it said place the splash guard onto mixing bowl lid to prevent splashing. So we'll need to simply put it on. It's very easy to put it on. All you need to do is take it and put it on like that. And that's it. It's going to let out some of the steam through the sides here. But it's going to prevent splashes, and that is it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.